Cuisinart Hurricane blender pulverizes, purees, and liquefies. Using a 2¼ horsepower peak input motor, it makes jobs like this roasted red pepper soup simple. You're going to get the type of texture and the type of flavor that you really want in a simple soup. With shallots, garlic, and thyme sautéed until golden brown and flavor really developed, I'm adding some orange zest to the pan while it's still warm. The slight heat in the pan will activate those oils, and you should smell it jumping out of the pan right away. Now I'm going to go with the ingredients into the blender. I'm going to start with a good chicken stock. Could use vegetable stock as well. With my tight seal lid in place and all the ingredients inside the jar, the Hurricane is powered on, and I'm going to select high speed. I want you to see how fast you can make incredible soup. After just 60 seconds, I can press the high button again and pause the operation and check the consistency of the soup. Have a look at how bright and beautiful this is.